How to add multiple email accounts on one iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings and choose mail option. Click on mail and here you will see accounts on the second section. So as you can see, I only have one account here. So if you wish to add multiple email accounts or to add an account there, all you have to do is to click on add account here. And it will give you options such as iCloud or through your Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, so on and so forth. So you can even tap on others here and tap on add mail account. So for me, I'm just going to use my Google here. So click on Google and it will redirect you to this. And all you have to do is to sign in your account to continue on iOS. After setting up everything here, once you allow the Google to have an to connect with your iOS here. As you can see here under your Gmail, you'll see this. It will redirect you here. Make sure to toggle on mail here so that you can add multiple email accounts on your one iPhone so that those notifications coming from your specific Gmail account will go to your mails too, and tap on save. And basically here, as you can see, you have added your Gmail account here, and basically that is it. And that is how you add multiple email accounts on one iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.